Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. What's up everyone, it's Zemidkun, and today we're diving deep into the world of cryptocurrency mining. If you've ever wondered how these digital currencies are created or dreamed of mining your way to a Bitcoin fortune, this video is your one-stop shop. We're breaking down everything from the basics to setting up your own mining rig and maximizing your profits. Let's get started. Cryptocurrency mining isn't about pickaxes and hard hats. It's digital, using computer power to solve complex problems. These problems secure the blockchain, the backbone of cryptocurrencies. Miners verify transactions, adding them to the public ledger. They earn crypto by solving these puzzles. In the world of cryptocurrency mining, there are two main approaches: proof of work, POW, and proof of stake, POS. Proof of work is all about raw computational power. It's energy-intensive, raising environmental concerns. Enter proof of stake, the eco-conscious alternative. The more you stake, the higher your chances of earning rewards. So, you're ready to fire up the mining rigs and start raking in the crypto, right? Not so fast. Choosing the right cryptocurrency to mine is crucial. It's like picking a stock. You want to invest your time and resources in something with potential. First things first, profitability. Mining is a business, and your goal is to generate a profit. There are websites and calculators that track the profitability of mining different cryptocurrencies, factoring in things like hash rate, energy costs, and the current market value of the coin. But profitability isn't everything. You also need to consider mining difficulty. Some cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin have a high mining difficulty, meaning you'll need some serious hardware to stand a chance of earning rewards. Chapter 4. Gearing up for the digital gold rush essential mining hardware. Alright, let's talk hardware. Cryptocurrency mining isn't exactly a CPU-intensive task. It's all about specialized hardware that can crunch those complex hashing algorithms. First up, we've got ASIC miners. These are purpose-built machines designed specifically for mining cryptocurrencies. They're like the Ferraris of the mining world, incredibly powerful but also expensive and often tailored to specific algorithms. Next, we have GPUs or graphics cards. While primarily designed for gaming, GPUs excel at the parallel processing tasks required for mining many cryptocurrencies. You'll need a motherboard capable of handling multiple GPUs, a power supply unit, PSU, with enough juice to power your rig, and a stable internet connection. Chapter 5. Building your mining rig from zero to crypto hero. Now comes the fun part. Building your very own mining rig. Don't worry, it's not as daunting as it sounds. With a little patience and the right guidance, you'll have your rig up and running in no time. First, you'll need to gather your components. We're talking motherboard, CPU, RAM, storage, GPUs of course, PSU, and a sturdy frame to house it all. Once you've got everything you need, it's time to start assembling. Start by installing the CPU and RAM onto the motherboard, then mount the motherboard into your chosen frame. Chapter 6. Joining forces, mining pools, and the power of collaboration. In the early days of cryptocurrency mining, it was feasible to mine solo and still have a decent chance of earning rewards. But as the difficulty increased and more miners joined the network, solo mining became like trying to win the lottery. Possible, but highly improbable. That's where mining pools come in. A mining pool is essentially a group of miners who combine their computing power to increase their chances of solving blocks and earning rewards. It's like a mining cooperative where everyone contributes their resources and shares in the profits. Joining a mining pool offers several benefits. First and foremost, it provides a more consistent stream of income. In the world of cryptocurrency mining, hash rate and difficulty are two sides of the same coin. Understanding their relationship is crucial for maximizing your mining profitability and navigating the ever-changing landscape of blockchain networks. Hash rate, as we discussed earlier, is a measure of your mining hardware's processing power. To maintain a consistent block time and prevent the network from being flooded with new blocks, blockchain protocols adjust the difficulty of mining based on the total hash rate of the network. As more miners join the network and the total hash rate increases, the difficulty ramps up, making it more challenging to solve blocks. So, you've got your mining rig up and running, you've joined a mining pool, and you're eager to start counting your crypto profits. But before you quit your day job, it's essential to understand mining profitability. Consider your hash rate, mining difficulty, electricity costs, and the coin's market value. In the world of cryptocurrency mining, software is your trusty sidekick, providing the tools you need to manage your mining operations, monitor performance, and optimize profitability. First and foremost, you'll need mining software. This software connects your mining hardware to the blockchain network, allowing you to participate in the mining process. Popular mining software options include CG Miner, BFG Miner, and Easy Miner, each with its own set of features and supported algorithms. Once you've chosen your mining software, you'll need to configure it with your mining pool credentials, cryptocurrency wallet address, and any other relevant settings. Let's face it, cryptocurrency mining can be an energy-intensive endeavor. Those powerful GPUs and ASIC miners don't run on good vibes alone. They demand a steady diet of electricity. The first step in taming the energy beast is to understand your electricity costs. Contact your local utility provider and inquire about their rates, especially if they offer time-of-use pricing, where electricity costs vary depending on the time of day. Next, optimize your mining hardware for energy efficiency. Look for GPUs and ASIC miners with a high hash rate-to-power ratio, meaning they deliver maximum hashing power while consuming minimal electricity. In the Wild West of cryptocurrency mining, security is paramount. After all, you're dealing with valuable digital assets that are highly sought after by hackers and cybercriminals. First and foremost, secure your mining rig like it's Fort Knox. Use strong, unique passwords for all your accounts, including your mining pool account, cryptocurrency wallet, and operating system. Enable two-factor authentication whenever possible to add an extra layer of security. Keep your mining software and operating system up to date with the latest security patches. Be wary of phishing scams and malicious links. So, you've dipped your toes into the world of cryptocurrency mining, you've got a taste of those sweet, sweet block rewards, and now you're ready to take your mining operations to the next level. Scaling your mining empire, whether you're adding a few more rigs to your basement setup or building an industrial-scale mining farm, requires careful planning, strategic investment, and a deep understanding of the ever-evolving cryptocurrency landscape. One of the most common ways to scale your mining operations is to add more mining rigs to your arsenal. This increases your overall hash rate, giving you a better chance of solving blocks and earning rewards. Another approach to scaling is to upgrade your existing mining hardware to more powerful models. As technology advances, newer GPUs and ASIC miners offer significant improvements in hash rate and energy efficiency, allowing you to mine more profitably. Chapter 13, Taxes and Regulations. Navigating the legal landscape of cryptocurrency mining. As the saying goes, nothing is certain except death and taxes, and yes, that includes the world of cryptocurrency mining. The tax implications of cryptocurrency mining vary depending on your jurisdiction and individual circumstances. In general, mining rewards are treated as income and are subject to capital gains taxes when you sell, exchange, or dispose of your mined coins. It's crucial to keep accurate records of your mining activities, including the date you received mining rewards, the fair market value of the coins at that time, and any expenses related to your mining operations. Consult with a qualified tax professional who specializes in cryptocurrency taxation to ensure you understand your obligations and are in compliance with all applicable laws and regulations. Chapter 14. Monitoring and optimizing fine-tuning your mining operation for peak performance. In the world of cryptocurrency mining, knowledge is power, and data is your most valuable asset. Monitoring your mining operations and analyzing performance metrics is crucial for identifying bottlenecks, optimizing efficiency, and squeezing every last Satoshi out of your mining rigs. Most mining software and mining pool dashboards provide a wealth of real-time data, including your hash rate, accepted and rejected shares, estimated earnings, and pool statistics. Familiarize yourself with these metrics and learn how to interpret them to gain insights into your mining performance. Keep a close eye on your hash rate as it directly impacts your profitability. Chapter 15. The Future of Mining, Emerging Trends and the Evolving Crypto Landscape. The world of cryptocurrency mining is in a constant state of flux, with new technologies, evolving consensus mechanisms, and shifting market dynamics shaping the future of this rapidly growing industry. One of the most significant trends is the shift towards more sustainable and energy-efficient mining practices. As awareness of the environmental impact of traditional proof-of-work mining grows, we're seeing a surge in interest in alternative consensus mechanisms, such as proof-of-stake, and the development of more energy-efficient mining hardware. Another trend is the rise of cloud mining, where individuals can rent mining power from large data centers, instead of investing in their own hardware. The development of new mining algorithms designed to be resistant to ASIC mining is also shaping the future of the industry. Level up your crypto game. So there you have it, a crash course in cryptocurrency mining, from the fundamental concepts to the nitty-gritty details of setting up and optimizing your own mining operation. If you found this video helpful, give a thumbs up, share it with your friends who are interested in crypto, and hit that subscribe button for more tech deep dives, cryptocurrency insights, and everything in between. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.